going down over here, brother. Okay, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. And dude, just look around. Today is a busy day, and we about to go crazy. Yeah, so stay tuned. It's gonna be nuts. Yo, that was close, bro. And he kept that thing going. Yo. He went through the legs and he dribbled. Bro, I'm just trying to enjoy my Coke, dog. Bro, you flying past me, dog. I'm like, bro, I'm just trying to enjoy my Coke. So crazy because I haven't seen a lot of these homies in so long, bro. Like, it's been forever since we've had a crazy lot session like what is happening today. Like, I don't know, it's been forever, but this is the best. These are the best vibes, bro, where everyone's just freaking chilling, you know. We don't really gotta worry about traffic or nothing. We can just vibe. Come on, let me see you wee. He said, ah. God damn. Yo. Yeah. That was crazy. That was, oh my gosh, dude. We were just talking about, yeah. Bro, I just seen the quad like come right in front. I was like, oh, this is not going to. I saw him. He went right in front of you, dude. Yeah, that was scary, but I'm glad he's good, bro. Everything.
Got that on camera?
I got it. You good?
Sometimes this happens.
Yeah, it's life, bike life. Hey, the bike is good, so. That boy's sketchy. Oh my God. So many people are flying past. It's so scary, dog. Yo, quad seat just fell in the middle of the lot. I want to see this. He got the whole seat in his hand, dog. Damn, that thing is so crazy. You don't even need a brake on that. So much engine brake. That's gotta be YZ1, bro. I haven't seen him in forever, but he be freaking getting it. Yes, sir. Sheesh, bro, he used to have the freaking, it was like blue and purple. Yes, sir. Or blue and pink, my bad. Blue and pink. Yo. You still got your pink bike? Huh? The pink YZ.
Yeah, I got it.
What? Where is it?
It's at my house.
You didn't want to bring it?
I'm thinking about a van, nigga.
Ah. Okay. Oh my God. God damn. Keep praying to the dirt bike gods his bike don't go in neutral. Let's go. How you doing?
Nice, bro. Stop doing that, bro.
Hell yeah. On the DRZ, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Get some for the camera real quick.
What's up, yo? Follow him, subscribe, my boy.
Hey, Shred, let's get a wheelie clip. Bro, that DRZ is clean. I ain't gonna front. The black and yellow, I like it. We will always have DRZ love on this channel. It don't matter where we are in life. The DRZ will always be our first #1 baby. Hey, what year is that? 22?
Yeah.
Damn, so that shit like brand new.
Yeah, bro, 2022.
It's clean. Clean as sheesh. This is bringing me back to 2021 vibes, bro, when the lot was just madness. And like right now, it's that type of vibe. Hey, how do you touch? How do you touch your hand? Was I close or no? Hey, Hey, watch, watch. Close? I feel like I'm like that. I can't do that trick, bro. Bro, you do it so easy.
To go farther back.
Yeah.
A little bit farther back.
I feel like my whole body's falling back when I reach out like that.
That's probably the pants you're wearing.
Oh, you think I'm slipping?
Yeah, bro, with a belt.
Do you shift lock like this or like this?
Like that, right?
And it holds you in?
Hold in.
Bruh. I need longer arms, bruh.
Huh?
I need longer arms. He does it so chill, bro. Like, I wish I could be doing it that chill. Boy, Tater out here getting in work. He putting in work, as always, bro. Tater Tune's always putting in that work. Dude, there's so many people. Ah! Beep, 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 beep. Ooh, someone went down over here, brother. Oh, that's... Damn. That's the homie Angel's bike too, bro. Or is it? Maybe it's not. How's the bike? Bike looks a little rough. That road rash, that thing going. Yeah, we in AK, baby. Let's go. Let's go. You good? Oh, you didn't fall? Ah. No, yeah. Okay. Getting wild at the lot, brother. Can I ride it? Just for one lap?
Oh my god, what the?
Bro, I swear it was like this close, bro. Hey, I'm gonna get on his ass. No, yeah, I'm gonna be careful. This thing feels so good. I can't explain it. It feels so good. Yes, sir. Boy, Stuntman getting it, dog. This thing feels so smooth.
Yeah, it's smooth, right?
But it like, is it right here? Oh, I need a 110, dude. Like, y'all don't understand how smooth this is right now. Like, I feel like I could stand up this so easy. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Gosh, there was a lot of people here. Got a little crazy. Remember, stay motivated. We got merch in the description down below. Till next time, gang. Peace!